Okay, it is part 4 later in the day, Sunday, March 14th, 2021. Fairly simple traditional drawing here. It looks fairly comparable to the photograph I printed out. That's the photo on the right, drawing on the left. It's going to go in the frame like that. And if I can give myself some criticism here, it actually looks stronger to me vertically like this than it does horizontally, which presents a problem. There's the frame. Oh, see, the birds are agreeing with my assessment here. So, the drawing is going to fit in there like that. And it still looks kind of weak to me. Now, hang on a moment. Rough stick under it. Oops. Okay, let's see if I can get this in there. Oh boy. So that would be just done for composition reasons, because the actual drawing of the allegorical sea monster will be done in the same board the portrait, memorial portrait is. Let's just see how this looks. Well, it's kind of hard to see that light outline of the suggested sea monster I drew. Well, I'll just have to continue and proceed and see how it works out. Okay, to be continued.